Hi everyone, planning a gaming PC with the NVIDIA RTX 5060 Ti? Here's what you need for a killer 1440p setup. CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 9600X. A total gaming powerhouse. Motherboard, MSI Meg B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. Rock solid with Wi-Fi. RAM, 32GB DDR5 6000. Super fast, no lag ever. GPU, RTX 5060 Ti. Mind-blowing graphics, period. Storage, 2TB WD Black SN 7100 SSD, games load in a flash. PSU, Corsair RM850X Shift 850 watt. Powers your rig like a champ. Case, Height Y70 Touch, sleek with a dope touchscreen. Cooler, Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 360. Keeps your PC ice cold. Build this, dominate your games, and flex your setup. Hit like, subscribe, and start building.